Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, this is lift number 1. Yeah. Oh.
So we'll do that on the way back, yeah?
Yeah. See you in a minute.
See you on the other side.
We'll do 2 rides on 2 and 3 in the old lifts. Yeah. And lift 1 in B&Q. Oh, my turn. So you click the call buttons.
Yeah, don't do that. No, something not saying that might not answer. Going down.
Big. Is the milkshake place open? Yeah.
Going down.
Unless she bases it at Castlepoint, a lot of people go there and that area.
Doors open.
I thought that meant out of service when that went funny. I thought it was going to get stuck. No, you'll be alright. I know the new lift 1. Oh no. I know. Yeah. Oh. And Rebecca might be loud on the way, but actually, I'm going to be too early for her. It could have been. I know the lift still works. Always shakes.
Door 1. Door.
Oh, that works.
So what you could do,
Yeah.
ask her, does she know how it is?
Yeah. 1. So, here I know.
Keep mind the doors. Door closed.
That's it. She's already there. Hello, this is lift number 1. And it's 2 rides on this. Huh? It doesn't re-level this.
Doors closing.
It doesn't re-level. No, let's listen to that.
Lift going down.
B&Q and Castle. No, it has a moment when it's going down.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
Don't have to go.
Doors closing.
I think it might just click G again. Let's listen to it.
Lift going up. Floor 1.
It's much smoother.
Doors opening.
You want to click the ride in case the other one's
Doors
broken.
closing.
Go on enough in case you refuse to go down.
Lift going down.
Oh yeah. Cause that's an oak.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
Look at that one opens when it goes hard.
Doors closing.
Let's listen to it.
Lift going up.
It does not go hard anymore. I'll see it.
Floor 1. Doors opening. Doors closing.
That's it. Now it's the other lifts. And this is lift number 4. Oh, that's handy. It's already here. Yeah, it's your turn. Where's lift number 1? It's already lit. Always still not turned off. And it'll be 2 rides on this one. And it'll be 2. Lift number 4 went hard. Oh, I'll let you on. Oh. Let's go on one again, and let's go on one. Do you want to go on one again? Do you want to go on? Do you want to go on one?
Catch that back up and then go back to this one.
Catch that one.
Catch one back up and go back on this one.
Do you want to?
Probably. There's a big queue at the minute.
You'll have to tell Mum if you're going to lift one. You'll have to tell.
Just be yourself.
Should I see what she says? See if we should catch lift one back up.
Let me take of this.
Hang on, I'll push it for them to do. Okay.
If there's another person waiting on
It'll be lift one.
on
It'll
it.
No, after you.
So we go so wide. Or we would have done an extra ride on lift 2 if that one got too busy.
And we would have tried this one again. So it'll be out of order. So now we would have.
Fine.
He gets to go.
Does have to be one we want. So, I knew it was going to be have to go. Oh, I
Lift. Huh? Now, second time we give you a stay on this.
lift number 2 we eventually got on lift.
It was a staff. Lift. Unless it's because it's easier to find stuff.
Easier to find on lift number 4 from the 1. I thought we was going to have to get one back up. I thought it was not. And if it was on it, it would have been floor. I'm going to listen to the dead noise. Our turn. My did the G fine. With Jamie, I suppose it wasn't with Jamie to get out. Is it busy at time? Didn't have to get lift number 1, we didn't. Right. Didn't know when it was on.
Oh, do you want to take another one on one then? Do you want to take another? Because this one's a bit busy. This.
We might have to go back to lift 1 because this one's a bit busy.
Are you sure? What about if another person wants to get on it? Should we do that one again? That one's quieter. Is that?
Another have to get out.
Or we'll do the car park one a few times. Or
That's only the council lift sits, but ain't that.
those ones don't. Those ones don't.
I'm surprised in the afternoon it was quiet. Oh, I'm surprised.
And I am.
I'm surprised in the afternoon. With Jamie.
If not, we'll go on lift 2 again. Oh, no, we might need to go on that place.
She's like friend.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you using this?
I would like to use it, but if you want to take a video, I can wait.
Oh, she can wait for
Are you
us.
sure you want to wait?
Yeah, usually coming downstairs outside. Upstairs outside.
She wants us to go on first. I think it's because we've been waiting ages ready.
Well, lift 1's not busy.
Yeah, number 1's known to grab.
No, it isn't. It's a new one. G,
Yeah.
see you in a minute.
That was that one we saw at lift 1. I think that one she waited for us. Gee, I hope it doesn't get stuck, says someone waiting. She'll probably get to punish if it does. Finally go back up to you, G. Nearly a 6-minute video just as long as if took but it's not airdrop though, but it was Andre when it was a Muzz Watcher on Muzz. Could it what if we would have went on with us, we would have been waiting ages, we would have already.
There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, that
More space than the outside lift. There's
in here.
more space.
Yeah.
Hello, this is lift number 2.
This way. Yeah, I think not.
That was hard. But that might have been because it hasn't been used in a while. It'll probably be smoother when we're on it. Nice as quick, G.
Always gets smoother when we're on it.
Clean.
It's got a fan on it. Tss.
Yeah, your turn.
Unusual for 2 to have it on it. Let's listen. Like smoother again. It's. It doesn't bang anymore. Gee, why just pick G this time? Never get stuck for Castlepoint once. It would get in the doors the second time.
Might just click you, G.
Yeah. Oh, this is. Slah! If number 3's it, Slah. Never gonna go in. It's Slah. Someone else will use it in front of us.
Hello, this is lift number 3.
It's not very hard, that. You, G.
My turn.
It's a you, G. I'm going fast. Yeah. Only did a little bump. It only did a little. And this one, it's 2 rides. My turn to click. Unless it's only at G it does it, and that's. Let's just. don't know how to get out. Your
Yes,
turn
mine
to
is-
push G. It's not. Your turn to click here. Worse the second time. Snap, Emmy. It did, but let's sniff it.
Sit there. Hello, this is lift number 4. I reckon she will. She's a little business. I reckon she. I was surprised. Oh.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Would it be nice?
Going down.
Oh, Sam Sprat then.
Level 0.
Only once because it's Jackson.
Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Oh, Sam Sprat then.
Level 1. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
That's it. That's it. This is lift number 5. Is it my turn? Yeah. What you documents?
Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Not Sam Sprat.
Level 0. Doors opening.
Might just click 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Oh,
Level 1. Doors opening.
so it must be that usual security.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
That usual security guard.
That's it. This is lift number 6. Might just pick J. You're to click 1.
Oh, I think someone wants to use it. Someone wants to use it.
Yes. Get out. As well as being beauty. Oh, Jamie, it ain't that. It is time. That's it. Oh. Oh, no, it's not going down. That's why it's gone 5 twice again.
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah. I was
Oh,
about
that
to say,
says she's stuck in the lift. I was about.
is it my turn?
Yeah.
I was about to say, don't tell me. We have to push it through. Oh, I was about to say. Like I had to for being accused. It didn't accept it like I had to. God, that's quick. She's out for this though.
Your turn. Get out this time round.
Oh yeah, I forgot we were getting out. I was going to send it up. I was. Your turn. Right, just click 1. Oh, this is lift number 5.
Everyone I'm about to call it, I sir. Is it out of order?
No!
Not broken this time and it's not.
Doors open. Going
I
down.
just couldn't say.
Please mind the door. Doors closing. Going down.
Then we've only got some span to do before the milkshake.
Level 0. Doors opening.
Make you forget to get the doors on.
Oh, for Ivo.
Please mind the door. Doors closing.
Make you get out. So get out.
Oh, no, it's my turn.
Doors open. Going up. Please mind the door. Doors closing. Going up.
That's hard.
Level 1.
There we go.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Not broken this time and it's not. This is lift number 4.
This is lift number 4. Who says
To call it in.
not? We'll be having the ride.
Not broke.
Oh, someone's
Went
on
up
it.
straight away.
Yeah, someone's on it.
That was what I Oh!
Should you come upstairs then?
Going
What, whose turn? My turn.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Oh, that's it.
Going down.
Oh! Sam Spratman.
Level 0.
Could it be? It's
Doors
not there.
opening.
Exit
Please
that.
mind the doors. Doors closing.
Whose turn? My turn. It's there on the way.
Going up.
My turn to click 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Oh! Sam Spratman.
Level 1.
That lady gave me friendly ears.
Doors opening.
There we go.
Please
Sam.
mind the doors.
Sam
Doors closing.
Spratman. Wouldn't have said it. I would. Hello, this is lift number. Whose turn? Oh yeah, your turn. No, it's using 2. You got the escalator. About to say it's broke, and I was
Oh, it is moving.
about to say Herman got stuck in the lift. Chime. Not 2 voids because it's open. It's Joytronics. With Jamie, even though it's not, it's bad. Lift number 2 might be level. Get out first time, second time, stay on. So, at least lift number 2. At least 2.5 months she'll be here, at least 2. I reckon we will still be home for Jazz. And he doesn't come to me with 1 o'clock to Bournemouth.
When?
Now, I hear it's 2 I'm calling in from Jitty.
Mine's PG.
Don't bum! That one does when it isn't. Ella. My turn this time. Or is it your turn?
My
your
turn.
Is. And then it's arrows again this time round. And then it's gonna bump this number 2. It'll be bent then when it shuts. I say it'll be leveled. It'll be actually leveled. Well, with Jamie it didn't re-level. Oh well. With Jamie. Right, that's this. Chimes. Chime. No, I didn't want to eat that. Sorry, dude. You want me to hit service number 2? But it level. It won't do it at Jitty, it'll be you, Jitty, if it does. It's there! Nice! His turn. Your turn! No more this time, Sam! Whose turn? Ooh!
bump. It. Yes! It could have done it.
Was it bang?
Yeah.
Thank God it didn't.
Well,
Thank God it didn't.
we've taken it down.
Huh? No!
Oh, I said
God,
no.
Lightens called it in! Nice cut you, Jay.
Would have been hard one. Take another ride on it. Wait, take another ride.
Where's my turn this time?
It's a ball.
Staying on this time round.
Jets. He did.
That's so jazz.
I wonder if she watched.
Jazz.
I wonder. She's gonna watch it once. Oh. Someone took their free rollers on too. This time on B&Q will it be busy? Yes.
Might not be.
It'll be city centre of a crew.
It'll be arrows.
It's not that. It's the arrow.
When is that due for inspection? July.
Yes. You won't know it's going up.
Or someone else is getting on from G.
I'm sure I can hear it.
Ah. There we go.
Sound?
My turn.
Yeah.
Doors closing.
It bumped.
Ooh.
Lift going down.
It went sideways.
No, it's meant to, this new machine.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
It's something they've added in.
Doors closing.
Is it something they've added in? 'Cause it always does it.
Lift going up.
I think it's normal for this lift to go sideways. This one's slightly scarier from foot on it.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
It ain't really hard, eh?
Might just click 0 this time.
This one.
Doors closing.
Are we going to go down, though? Do you reckon we will?
Didn't go sideways this time.
Lift going down.
Yes. That's a bit like level 6. That's a bit.
Ground floor.
There we go.
Doors opening.
Might just click 1.
Doors closing.
Ready?
Yeah.
Lift going up. Doors opening.
Yes!
Doors closing.
Unless we go on that, the other one again. Alternative lift available in building aisle 16. That's the one. Out of service, it's
You're always on this.
lift.
Perhaps they're changing that one now.
It'll be the new one next time we're on it. It'll be the new. Lift number 1 didn't say that. That just said J. That just said. And that's it. And lift number 1. Lift number 1. That's still on. Whose turn? I think it's your turn this time. 2 lights on this one. My turn.
Going down.
It's what I saw.
Ground floor. Doors open.
That's with BCP breaks. This one isn't BCP. Your turn. Now? Yeah. It'll be your turn to click G second time and it'll be
Please mind the door. Doors closing. Going up. Door 1. Doors open.
stay on. I had to click G this time.
Going down.
What we say?
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
I reckon we might even be there for Kingston Way. I reckon we might even be.
Going down. Ground floor. Doors open.
Might have to click 1.
Yeah.
Jackson.
Going up.
Right, Jackson. If so.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
They did clean it overnight. No, they didn't. It's still full of mud in there. We never get stuck on this one. It's very quiet, the voice. It's... That's it.